Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing, and thank you so much for joining me. Today I have some happy mail from melodymade.com, and she's sending this to me because we're going to do a collaboration and make some journals. And so she sells kits on her website at melodymade.com that she calls fancy flows. And if you're familiar with the term flow, it's like flow journal and having papers that inspire you, and you put things together and go from there. Let's take a look at what she sent me. What we're talking about doing is making journals so that every day in July we could do the equivalent of a December daily. Many of us have been cooped up and things are opening back up. We thought it would be kind of fun to make a journal about July and write about what you do, who you see, where you go. I think that at least in my area, July is probably when we'll start moving around more freely. I don't know what to call it exactly. I think it'll be a good time to do it. If I'm wrong and something backfires, we'll do it more as a gratefulness journal and maybe interesting prompts. Maybe we'll have things about what we would be doing if we could go places. So melodymade.com, I'll put her information down below. And her YouTube is Making Memories with Melody. And she has a Facebook group too that's Newbie Junk Journal Makers. So what she's done is she's made a kit. So if you want to check out her website and get a kit, if this looks inspirational to you, maybe you're new in junk journaling and you don't have an overflowing room full of goodness, well, she can just send you a kit. And we'll make our junk journals in advance, probably in June, and I'll give you more information about that soon. And then we will journal in them in July. Oh my gosh. She does fancy flows and puts together designer papers and all sorts of junk journal supplies. And this one is specifically made for the kit for July. And she's got a coupon code right here, USA 2020. And there's her website, melodymade.com. And I haven't seen one of her fancy flows before. So this is super, super cool. Oh my gosh, she's got a tassel kit here. Look at all this goodness. I gotta get this out of the bag for you. And if I was actually making my journal right now, I wouldn't start with the tassels, but they're just so amazing looking. I've gotta get in here. Look at all of this. Oh my gosh. The thing that's really cool about Melody's fancy flows is that she gathers the stuff, right? She's done all the curating so that you can just sit down and play. And you have charms and tassel stuff. And then, oh, look at all these textiles. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Flag and silver and laces and a couple different reds. Ooh, and some sequin trim in there. Look at these, really luscious. Ooh, this is like a satiny red. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that blue. So she does kits in different colors and different themes throughout the year. That is amazing. And I just think I could spend forever looking and shopping, and she orders a lot of this stuff and just puts it all together, and then we get to play with it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So this is the extras. So she also does a bunch of digital kits. And if you've seen the happy mail that she sent me before, she sent me some blue DigiKit stuff that was just wonderful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then this is the fancy flow itself, right? With the different papers that you would decorate your pages with, and cards in red, and an eagle, and some stars. New York, and it's like a vintage map, and some more map. Ooh, and some tickets. I mean, if you're a junk journaler, this is just fabulous goodness in here. Okay, so I hope this gave you some inspiration. Ooh, look, Andrew Jackson. It's all about him. And like I said, I'll bring you some more information on this project as Melody and I work on our collaboration and decide exactly what we're gonna do. Ooh, here's a watercolor gel print in here. Really fun, nice textures. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this just makes you want to start a journal and join us for July Daily. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.